Hey guys, it's Madi Aguilar, and here are my top 5 fragrances from Sephora. Fenty. This is a warm floral. It has notes of magnolia, musk, and Bulgarian rose. Flower Bombs Tiger Lily. This is a fresh scent. It has notes of coconut milk, tiger lily, and mango. Replica by the Fireplace. This is warm and spicy. It has notes of clove oil, vanilla accord, and chestnut accord. Dolce & Gabbana's Devotion. This is a warm floral, and it has notes of candied citrus, orange blossom, and vanilla. Kilian Love Don't Be Shy. This is a warm floral, and it has notes of orange blossom, vanilla absolute, and luscious marshmallow. Sephora's VIB Rouge sale starts November 1st through the 11th. Let me know down in the comments, what's your favorite fragrance? What are you excited for about trying this year during the VIB Rouge sale?